Like darkness. Why are you trying my shoes on? Kevin. Say hello.
Hello, this is Grandpa. Do you want to know what is this for?
What?
So Grandma can see a smuggle and dingle in the night. Then she can dingle and dingle in at night. So tell me, Jane, what do you do at night with your flashlight?
I stay away from monsters.
No, you use it for your dingling. You can see it. You
Don't
smuggle.
take my shoes off. You're gonna smush them with your fucking feet.
Oh, you're out.
You have a fat ass. Show the world your fat ass. Why is it like that, Kevin?
Why is it like that? I don't know.
Oh, Kevin. Schmuggling dingling.
See my booty? Schmuggling dingling. Yeah,
It's
tripping. Wanna see my nipple? People think I have a penis, but no, I have a nipple.
That's my little pee-pee. That's my little pee-pee. Little pee-pee. That's so disgusting.
When it gets hard, it goes like that. It's amazing. It's just so tiny. But it gets so hard and big.